leveling up in your 20s is like focusing on learning, improving yourself, growing, grooming yourself, and becoming a perfect version or the best version of yourself. It's all about building your personality, building who you are, building who you want to be. That's basically what leveling up in your 20s means. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips on how to level up in your 20s. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's get right into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if it's the first time, you're also welcome to the family. My name is Person Ekato and I'm back with something interesting. So guys, today we are going to be talking about why and how you need to level up in your 20s. A lot of people are asking, why do I need to level up in my 20s? So this is basically an important stage in your life as a lady. I don't know about guys, but I know as a lady, being in your 20s is literally like a critical and important stage in your life. So guys, the first thing I want to talk about is love yourself. No one will love you more than you love yourself. Love yourself because you are the best advocate of your life, of yourself. No one will love you more than you love yourself. The basic thing is you loving yourself and loving who you are and who you are becoming. If there is something you want to change, then find a way to change and improving yourself. But all you need to do is change because you want to make a difference in your life. You are doing it because you want to improve in yourself. So that's basically it. Loving yourself will give you the confidence to get what you want, like take the risk to get what you want and keep on going in life even when you want to give up and all of that. So loving yourself will give you that confidence, that morale to continue life, to like achieve whatever you want to achieve in life, because it is very, very important. So the first thing you need to do, like I earlier said, is love yourself and you are good to go, girl. The next thing I want to talk about is don't compare yourself with others. Yes, because this is literally like what most persons are doing now in this generation, you get. Like I remember athletes who swim and run, their coaches always tell them, do not look to your side, or rather do not look to your back, because you looking to your side and you looking to your back will actually slow you down, you get. So it also applies to leveling up in your 20s, because why? You don't want to compare yourself with others. You are only killing yourself. You are not doing yourself any good. You actually cause yourself a lot of harm, because why? You need to only focus on yourself. Stop comparing yourself with every other person, because why? You don't know what that person is going through. The person might look beautiful, might look fashionable, might look stylish and all of that, and you want to like start comparing, this person has this person is like this, I'm not like that. You start giving yourself a lot of problem. Yes, I think it's a lot of problem, because you now want to level up to that person's standard. Girl, you're actually causing yourself a lot of harm. So stop comparing yourself to people. If you try it now that okay, I'm going to compare myself to this person, girl, you notice that you no longer care about unnecessary things, that you have a like what they call peace of mind. Yes, that is literally it. It's peace of mind. You need to get that peace of mind. Stop wasting time comparing yourself with people. It's not going to do you any good. It's not going to add up to your life. Rather, it's actually removing and giving you lots of stress and problems. So that's literally it, girl. Someone else's stagnation doesn't determine your success, just the same way someone's success doesn't determine your stagnation. So you need to improve on yourself to actually move forward. So stop comparing yourself to people. It's actually downgrading you. Yeah, it's the truth. It's the basic truth. It's only downgrading you. It's not like making you the woman that you want to be, because you're actually trying to become someone else, not you. That's what it basically means. You're actually trying to, you're actually trying to like compare yourself to people, trying to copy their life into your own life, which you are not supposed to be doing at this early stage. You get? So that is why I would say don't compare yourself to people. Next thing I'm going to be talking about is stop caring about what people think or what people say. for whatever reason, people will like you, people will hate you, people will just have this automatic dislike for you because maybe you're not giving them the energy that they want, or you're actually giving them a good vibe but they don't like that good vibe. So for whatever reason, people, not a lot, people will either like you or we either love you or either dislike or hate you. So girl, stop caring about what people think. You get the gist. Stop caring about what people think, because yes, they will have something to say. Definitely, whether you are succeeding in life, they have something to say. Whether you are not succeeding or you are failing, they will have something to say. So stop caring. Stop wasting your time to start thinking, okay, what would this person say if I do this? What would this person say if I do that? What would this person think of me if I now start talking like this? Girl, if you talking like you have having a French accent will actually give you much joy, girl, do it. Stop thinking about what people will say. Stop thinking about what people will say, because they will definitely have something to say. So you want to work on yourself. Don't take their negativity to heart. If they are telling you this is not good about you, if they don't like this about you, doesn't necessarily mean what you are doing is wrong. You get the gist. So never take their negativity to heart. Keep working on yourself. If you think you need to improve on this particular thing, then improve on it because you want to improve on it. So stop caring about what people say or what people think, and stop taking their negativity to heart. So that's just basically it, girl. The next thing I want to talk about is start taking good care of yourself, and also start taking good care of your emotional health, because these early stages where you need to like grow your relationship, grow your friendship, invest in your friendship, because it's actually like a growing stage. Do you understand? So you want to start taking good care of yourself. This is where managing your diet and also beginning an exercise regimen, because why, ladies, we need to do more of exercises. You need to manage your diet. It's very important because you want to look good. In as much that you want to look good, you need to pay sacrifices. You need to do things that are right. So I think you need to start taking good care of yourself, and that's by managing your diet and also beginning an exercise regimen. Not only does exercise make your outlook in life positive, it also makes you do things that are positive. Yes, that's literally it. So work, have a more fun social life. Do what you want, do what you like. It's not about people, it's about you, my dear. If your hobby is going out, taking pictures, having fun, then have fun. It's your life. You need to start taking care of yourself. That's why I said it's all this taking care of yourself, it's all about managing your diet, then beginning an exercise regimen. It's very, very important, because you, in as much as you want a healthy body and a healthy mind, you also want to do the necessary things. So girl, start taking good care of yourself and also work on your emotional health. The next thing I want to talk about is keep reading. Don't stop reading. I know in as much as you've left school or you've graduated, or rather you are not in school right now or you are working, never stop reading. So they stop reading, they feel reading is not necessary. There, it is very, very necessary. I can actually recommend books to start up with, because yeah, I started up and girl, I'm loving what I'm reading. I'm loving the outcome. It's making a difference. You understand? So my dear, keep reading. We live in the age of Netflix, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and lots more, that a lot of people are so engaged in social medias and their phones. So why you need to keep reading it, because it actually relaxes your mind. Then you have time, enough time, peace of mind to meditate on what you are reading, and you start thinking, okay, it gives you a easier way to absorb what you are reading and meditate on it and get the meaning of what you are reading. So it's not all about just reading through. Create a time where you read. If it's just a book, if you want to read a book for a month, then work towards it. If you want to read not just any other books, I did not say go and read geography or go and read biology. No, I meant inspirational books, motivational books, books that are good for your head, they are good for your mind. You get the point. So keep reading and you get a very, very positive result from it. Your reading is also a form of gaining knowledge. You get to understand that when you keep reading, keep knowing, it sticks. Even if you are a slow reader, or rather you're a slow learner, it doesn't matter. In as much your mind is there while you are reading, it sticks. So you want to keep on reading. So guys, this is literally all for now. Like, I just gave you some tips, I think like about 5 tips on how to level up in your 20s. Like I said, you need to level up in your 20s because it's actually a critical and important stage for you to grow, for you to improve in yourself, for you to build a very standard career. You need to become the woman you want to become, because it is very, very important. You understand? This is where you also grow your personality. You need to know and find out, what do I like, what do I want, is this how I want to do it, so that you can actually make decisions that can actually be very, very good for you, and that can actually give you a very good outcome in the future. So guys, this is basically it. I love this video. I am grateful to God that I am able to share what I know. So if you want more of this video, please comment down below and I will be more than happy to do just that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video, and also share, because it's very important. Like, it's very, very important. So guys, this is literally all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.